Hello and welcome to Wordpress tutorials. In today's video, I'll show you how to build a beautiful landing page for a clinic. So this is the sample website I'm showing you right now. You can see there are some beautiful sections with some demo contents and with a testimonial section with some online services in the bottom. So this is a template made by a plugin called Layout. It's layouts for Elementor. So let's open a completely new WordPress installation where no theme or no plugin is already installed. So come to dashboard and click on appearance, click on themes. I'll show you step by step how to make this page, how to import this page, and then how to edit this page. Let's just install a dummy theme. If you do not have, then I will use a starter theme. For example, this Hello Elementor, or if you do not see this, just click here and search for Hello Elementor and press enter and install Hello Elementor theme. After installation, activate the theme. Then go to plugins, click on add new and search for layouts for Elementor and press enter. Here's the plugin layouts for Elementor by Tech Ishta and click on install now. Activate the plugin. After activating the plugin, you will have a new menu called layouts. After refreshing the page, activate Elementor widgets not working because you need to activate Elementor plugin. So you first have need to have Elementor because this is the parent plugin. Search for Elementor. I already have it, but it needs update, so I'll update it from here right now. After updating, I'll refresh the plugin page and activate Elementor page builder. I'll set up it later. Come to dashboard again, and there's a new menu called layouts. So if you click on layouts, let me show you how my website looks like now. It's Hello Elementor, but there is nothing on the website and just a hello world post. So in the layouts there are some free and some pro layouts, but I'll be showing you how to install this one. This is the clinic website, so I'll click on install now. We will have to create a new page for this. We can also import this template using one click, and the name will be dummy name using by using this one, but I'll create a new one. For example, clinic landing page template for Elementor. Create new page and wait for it. It might take a couple of minutes, maybe 1 or 2. So in the meanwhile, let me tell you what I will show you in this video. I will show you how to edit the header, text, the titles, buttons, the images, the services area, the testimonial, and finally the footer. So all these things will be covered in today's video. Once it's imported successfully, you can click on edit page to open the Elementor page builder to see how your page looks like. You can see right away it's a beautiful page. If you click on preview, then you can see how it looks like on the front end. there was nothing before this on this website, but after we imported this template, you can see it's a beautiful landing page with no menu, of course, but you can add a responsive menu using a plugin, or you can just add a new menu from the menu section here and then add it to the template or custom header or footer. You can use Element Scikit for Elementor free to have custom headers and footers all over the site. So now we are on the editor of this page, this landing page. So it looks like this on front end and like this on back end. So if you click here, you have this text and you can edit it like this. For example, let me add it my name here, Suhail Ahmed, and let's add medical specialist, and if you click here, you can edit this one, some dummy text. If you click on the image, then you can see this is just a static image. These are separate elements, but the background is a static image. Let's edit this one first. Let's see how it looks like in the library. So this is just the background image. If you want to change it, you can change it to this or any other image you have. You can create your images using Figma or Adobe XD or Adobe Photoshop or any other tools like Illustrator or any other. So first you select image, then insert media, and it will be changed. And similarly, these are the images as well. You can change these icons to anything you want, this one, and this one. Similarly, this is a button, this is text, so this is a text editor widget. You can change your text here. And if you click on this button, you can change the text, the title of the button, like call us now, and you can change the link, https google.com, and it will redirect you to Google when you click it. Make an appointment, you can add a new page here like contact us. It will load your existing pages if you have, so just type C or CO, and we have 2 pages, whichever you want. You can redirect your visitors to that page. If you want to build a new contact us page, then come to layouts, pages, and click on add new. This is a dashboard. The layout is just the title of this page, so click on pages, add new, and add a new contact us page, and then link it here, and the visitors will be redirected to that contact page. So scroll down. For these services areas, if you click one, then you can edit all this single template by clicking here to change image, click here to change this small title, and click here to change this title, and duplicate to these 3 sections, and you can change this one, and you can change this one as well. So similarly, for the bottom area, for the middle one, you can change title here, subtitle, this title. This about the care about section is colored because we wrapped it in this span and gave this style, the color to this span only, the care about text. So your, and then BR means line break, and then mental health. So your, and then line break, and then mental health. Click here to edit this text. This is a text widget. You can make text bold like this one. Select this text and click on B, and it is bold. Similarly, if you want to bold anything else or make it italic, you can see emotional concerns. Okay, some call to action buttons. Click here. You can change image here. You can use image 150 by 150, 300 by 300. These are the available sizes for this image. We will use full. The title for this page, for this section, call us, and the number plus 92930290, whichever number format your country supports. And click here. Change image like this, change text to this, and change your email address. And similarly, this button, you can see this is a little bit smaller, so just drag this section here and we have the adjusted spaces. If you see it on full page, this is how it looks like. So you can change image for this by clicking here and then upload image, new image here. If you want to change this text, click on this text, change it here. You can also link this text to any page or any outside link by pasting your link here. Scroll down. These are the services. These are almost self-explanatory because the image, title, description, and link, these are all are separate elements. Similar this one, and these are as well. So these are also separate elements, so no need to explain again. This is the section, the testimonial section, but I see that this is also separate section. So this one is title, this one is subtitle, this is just an image, this is text widget, this is also an image, or this is a rating widget which is available in this plugin. Okay, this is a title. Scroll down. These are also some separate things, separate elements, but you can see the colors difference between these three. Click on this column editor, come on style, and here you can change the color. This one, style, and this one, style, and this. So this is the complete page. This is how you can edit and import a new template without any extra effort. If you do not have any design and you are short in deadline, this is the quickest way to accomplish this task, and you can build beautiful templates, beautiful landing pages within minutes. So this was all for today's video. I hope you learned something. Please give this your thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel and you will not miss my future videos. Thank you.